Song that again, it's another Mícheál and Kevin song that Mícheál did a fantastic job of, and it's called Lord Franklin. And we first heard this song, I'm pretty sure, from a Pentangle album. I was saying in the afternoon, myself and Mícheál were very influenced by the Pentangle guitarist John Renburn and Bert Jansch, and they just kind of opened our minds to a whole lot of possibilities. And I think Renburn sang this on a recording, and it's a very interesting old air, actually. Was used for the Crappie Boy in Ireland. But I'm sure many of you have heard the song. It's an extraordinary story about this guy going off looking for the Northwest Passage, and they were all lost. They were all frozen and poisoned and so on. And when I first heard the song, I thought it was ancient history. I thought it must be the 1500s or the 1600s or something. But in fact, it was the end of the 1900s or 1800s. Mm-hmm. And so it's a beautiful song. And it's kind of put partly in the voice of Lady Franklin. We were homeward bound one night on the Dee, swinging in my hammock I fell asleep. I dreamed a dream and I thought it true, concerning Franklin and his gallant crew. With 100 seamen he sailed away to the frozen ocean in the month of May, to seek a passage around the pole, where we poor seamen do sometimes go. Through cruel hardships they vainly stroll, through mountains of ice those ships were drove. Only the Eskimo in his skin canoe was the only one that ever came through. In Baffin Bay, where the whale fishes know, the fate of Franklin fate of Franklin no tongue can tell. Lord Franklin with his sailors do dwell. And now my burden does give me pain, for my long lost Franklin I will plough amain. 10,000 pounds would I freely give to no one earth my Franklin do live. Thanks very much. Thank you.